guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl MJ. So today guys, I'm gonna make okra soup. Okay, so how I'm going to make this okra soup so you guys gonna enjoy it and like it. So I'm gonna make okra soup mixed with spinach and bitter leaf and pepper and onions and crayfish, okay, because I will grind them together in a blender. Okay, yeah, this one is bitter leaf, okay, this one is bitter leaf, and this one is spinach. Okay, this is okra soup with spinach and bitter leaf. Okay, so let's go. So now I want to start to boil the meat. Here's Maggi. So guys, you add a little water, you cover it, and you on the gas. Pepper together, yes, because this crayfish are cut big like this is going to help the to draw well. Okay, that is why I'm going to grind this okra for a little to draw. Okay, if you need your food to draw too much or you don't want it to draw, so you can start and put it only like that. But if you want the okra to draw, you're gonna put small okra like this and grind them together. Okay. Boiling already. You still leave it until it's done. So I will start to put all the ingredients together. Done because I cook it like 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna put oil, pepper, and crayfish. All the things are going together. Pour it inside. So guys, you're gonna leave it until the oil and the pepper gets together. So I need to cover it. Wow, as you guys can see how it is. So let me turn it. Guys, I have never put the okra. The one I put is the small one that I ground, okay, to make it go draw. See, because I ground the small one with pepper and crayfish and onions together, okay, so to make it draw. So only that little one is the one that is drawing. So if you want to make the okra to draw, see, this is how we're gonna make it to draw. So it's drawing. So now I'm gonna put the main okra right now. This is the main okra, so it's time for me to put it. So guys, I want my okra to be thick because I don't need the water one. Today I'm cooking thick okra, guys, okay? So So guys, I need to open it because I do not want my okra to overdone. Okay, I do not want it overdone, so it's okay like this right now. So yeah, 2 minutes is okay for me. That's the bitter leaf. Spread it. So guys, I need to put the spinach. Okay, yeah, time to put spinach. So thick. So guys, I don't need my spinach overdone, so the heat is going to kill it, so it's okay like that. So I'm gonna bring it down. Guys, I'm very hungry, so I need to eat. very hungry. Okay guys, the spinach is okay. I don't like my spinach overdone or my okra to overdone much. Very hungry guys. Bring it down for me to dish it out. Need to eat. Guys, this is how I made my mixed okra soup, okay, with spinach and bitter leaf. Okay, so yummy and delicious. So guys, I want you guys to try this. I want you guys to try. It's yummy and delicious. Okay, mixed spinach with bitter leaf. Okay, okra soup. So delicious and yummy. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next uploading video. Please like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel for you to see my notification. Love you all. You guys are amazing. Thanks. Bye.